Alright guys, so I want to teach you guys how to clone websites. There are different ways you can actually clone a site, right? So, but for this video, we're just going to be cloning some basic sites. So I went to ChatGPT to even look for sites to clone. So we can try and clone front-end mentor, Codewell, or Dev Challenges, or even HTML up. So we can actually clone some of these sites here if you want to clone them. And also, yeah, some of my sites that I've built, right? This is my Promosphere. So you can actually check out the site. It's basically for promoting your goods and services for free. You can talk discussions on it and all like that. And yeah, there is also a site that you can also clone. I did all of these sites, so you are free to actually clone them if you want to. All right, so let's get back into it. So we're going to be using this site to clone. And you can also use Kali Linux to clone. I'll be doing that in another video. So I'm cloning with this site right here. Just click on download HTT track. Then when you do that, you click on this stuff here. You'll see the one for Mac also. So download the one if you're a Mac user. So you click on this part right here. So when you've done so, you'll be having this right here, this kind of stuff right here, this window. So if you have the window, all you need to do is just to click on next and give it a project name. So you can call it, I'm going to call this one main clone video, and I'll click on next. Then I'm going to put in the URL. So I'm just going to put in the URL of this. Like I said, you can put in any URL you want to, it's your personal choice. And I'll click on this, and I'll click on next, and I'll click on disconnect when finished. Alright, so this cloning is for educational purposes, right? This is how dangerous guys do clone big sites, and they do a lot of stuff with it, but just for educational purposes. So this is how you do what you clone sites, right? And also, I'll be making a video on how to clone React sites, because basically you can only clone sites that are not React sites, and the rest you can only clone sites that are just like normal JavaScript, HTML, Bootstrap, or CSS. So you have to give it a time for this stuff to work right here. It's going to take a bit of time. Also, so while it's loading, you can actually come to check out my promo talk, right? If you're not going to be even doing buying or selling, you can do some discussions, right? Let's say you have an error, you can actually come and paste your error right here, like this right here. So you can actually scroll down. As you can see, we have so many stuff right there. You can choose any kind of stuff, and if you want to work on the project, you can actually reach out to me, then we can actually even discuss about that. So let me see. Okay, it's still recording. All right, guys. So if it has done finish, so it's going to give you this stuff right here. So what you do is that you click on finish. Then when you click on finish, it just goes straight to your folder. So I have it inside this my folder. So you can see the video. You can see the folder name here. Then you do that. Then I'll just click on this part right here. Then you can see I've cloned it right now. So please, for educational purposes, shout out to HTML5.net for helping with developers have to build things very very fast and very very quick, right? So this is how you do what you clone, right? So you click on next, you give it a project name. For example, I gave it main clone video, so you give it a different name, right? So you give it a name, just give it a name, then you click on next, then you put in the web URL here, then you click on next, then you click on next, but you need to put this web URL. So when you put this web URL, let me just put this one here, click on next, and click on disconnect. When finished, and click on finish. It's going to do what? Clone it for you. And I'll see you guys next time.